Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and here is an interesting video to get ChatGPT for 12 months of free subscription. And here is what you need to do. Just open this link and where you can find the subscriptions which is free 0 rupees, ChatGPT Go for 0 rupees which is 399 per year, and plus 1999 as you know, Pro 19,900 which is free for Geo users. So here all you need to do is click on this Go link which is upgrade to Go. Once you click, it will ask you to add a payment method. Once you add, like here I'm doing, once I add this, it asks me to consent for this, so I have to click on this tick mark. Once I check on this tick mark, click on proceed. Once processing is done, the payment would be of 0 rupees and you'll get 12 months of subscription for sure, like you see on the screen, like I purchased for 0 rupees. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Share to your friends who need this.